And put it all together. I still gotta go drill some holes. And what's aggravating the most though, I gotta do all this before 3 o'clock. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. I had a 20-foot board at my house. And to get it in, they go all the way through. Just have to come along to it, keep it from falling out.
Mommy!
This is sketchy as hell, but we're gonna do it. No haul and tail. Be careful, I don't need a new windshield. I don't want a new windshield. Such is life in this. Maybe it'll work. I made 19 foot 6 inches. We're gonna roll with 4 windows down. The sunroof open. Called 4160. That's how you get your air conditioner sometimes. And that's what we're gonna do. That's Princess Catio's back there. Prince Catio's driving over there. He's 15, he wants to drive all the time. I remember that day.
I'm not 15.
She's 13, full of an attitude. That's normal.
Stop recording.
For some reason doesn't want to be recorded. She's not camera shy at all. But it is what it is.
You can't post that without my consent.
Don't get in my truck without my consent. You can see Why don't you just go that way than Willacoochee? Going through town with a board is not faster. How are you going to go?
There's a dirt road that takes you on the outside of town.
No, we'll just go through town. Here it is. Way out here in the middle of boondocks. Nowhere. I mean, CNN says barely anybody shows up for rallies. ABC says he lies about it. But I'm looking at a whole truck full of people, and behind back there there's another truck full of people, and it's as far as the eye can literally see.
Right, would be good.
You want to put a slow Joe as president. Not politics. Not politics at all. Slow Joe, old man, run out of steam, not capable of leading the country. The real president would be Kamala Harris. She's not fit to be president. Unless you want to go live in Cuba or Venezuela and bring that here, because people are starving to death there. America should be great for everybody. Doesn't matter about your race, your creed, your color, your background, your ethnicity, your choice of sexual orientation, or the lack of choice of sexual orientation. It should be great for everybody equally. And I guess that's why people resonate with that message, because everybody seeks greatness as individuals. If they seek greatness in public life, seek greatness in their dreams and their hopes, they seek greatness everywhere. We can do it. We will do it. Everybody. But you can't let the dispassionate, unbelieving, unworthy side of life take control. You have to be in control of your own destiny, and that's what matters, and that's what it takes. And these people have taken control of their own destiny. I've never been to one of these, but I'm going now. 42 years old. It's hard to believe that. I'm 42 years old. I'm sorry, I'm 41. 41 years old. And the older I get, the more I see how far America has fallen. How far America has chosen not to be great. There's so many people that don't believe. Their message is, let's share instead of everybody individually taking control and making their lives great individually. What they don't realize is they ain't Jesus. You ain't gonna feed hundreds of thousands of people on 2 loaves of bread and a few fish. You're not gonna make it last. And that's why this message of socialism, I don't understand how you think it will work. It just won't. This message of everybody gets their fair share. No, it'd be even worse as you think it is currently. Only those at the top who have access will get their fair share. And even if you take away the top tier and spread their wealth around, you'll still never, ever be able to equal it out for everybody, because nobody in this world is on the same equal plane. We are all individuals. Some choose to further education and have the tools to get there and make more and more out of themselves with their comprehension, understanding, and ability. Some never do. Some choose to be wrong. Some choose to be the very best. Say what?
It's blocked off. There's a big dirt pile below.
Hey, where are you supposed to park at? There's fireworks. That means he's here. We're almost there. This 8 minutes that I've been driving and talking, he gives testament that the true fact of what people feel and how people act when they believe.
I think we fucked up.
That's where we're going. We're going to do our best to get to the right place.